What's up, Warm Traffic? My name is Russell Brunson, and if you're watching this video, it means you probably see my ads a lot, so I apologize in advance, but here we are, and today I want to tell you about something really, really important. I'm going to be flying with my kids next week to a secret undisclosed location to hang out with Tony Robbins, Dean Graciosi, because we are bringing you something very, very cool called the Own Your Future Challenge, completely for free, and I want to invite you to be part of it. There's going to be a link down below. You can join it. But what the Own Your Future Challenge is right now we're coming out of this crazy pandemic, all the stress, all the headaches, all the things we've been dealing with, and now we're starting to look forward, like, what's the future look like? I want to cast a compelling future. I want to design something. I want to change it so it can be exactly what I want it to look like. How do I do that? How do I contribute at a level I've never done before? And so that's what the Own Your Future Challenge is about. I'm going to be there. Tony's going to be there. Dean's going to be there. We have Jenna Kuchar's going to be there. Trent Sheldon's going to be there. There's a huge list of like rock stars. So anyway, the Own Your Future Challenge is happening. It's going to be so much fun. I'm participating. My wife, my kids, everyone else participating. I want you to participate as well. So all you got to do is completely free. Click the link down below, register, and that's it. You're part of the challenge. And then show up every single day for 5 days. It's about 2 hours a day. So block out some time. It's going to be a thing that completely changes your destiny. It changes your future. They give you the chance to own your future and do and become whoever you want to be. So with that said, click the link down below, register, and I'll see you on the free challenge starting early next week. Thanks again. Own Your Future Challenge.com. Down there. Cut that part. Make sure we don't put that in there.